send me a message or or say a young guy live young guy in Sukakra in Bodidi. Because what teaches in a church is a Muslim. And says zakat no is a form of a levy. I had a year Juma or Moxinum. Every Friday after Juma, you get a plate or the feast of the lie. And you two are to develop the mosque as far as you win your war. And the children say, Yen to be called IMF and could you busia. Now you can't say, my G abai nipa ewujumum. Yen to find your con and focus. Now invest in Kola, you can't your utility bills. Even SHS not their dena. When you have to hope, Liam Peppa, you be Faswa, you be you talk a cranka. Senior Kabibi about artisans no we see dying. Cosanto, Quadiringano, no people not so a lot of these artisans are working. Mason for steel benders, carpenters, peer before. How are we reaching these people? I bet you talk a cranka and you feel some. And this is the duty of the assemblies. The duties of the assemblies are Ometima Resi IGFs, ADF Sango Funina, DDCs to go more. And media the American say, the best say, Eba Eberson. What you consume here, for the Dama Minim War me Baha 2009, January, March war. I'm the free echo. Send a wussy year with Juma and you come around watching me BR. You have never found fault with the law. Because broadcasting now we know you are measured. Efa kwa wakasa. Now says ya decriminalizing criminal libel. And to what the consequence now we no feel some feel we move for Bano is to create anarchy. Say Ghana yenye kuna the idea. And then you face the music. IGP no can I say he has no respect for anybody. So far as you are not going to preach the peace of this country. And the enya yama ya kasa ni nyano, enye kasa e magana kanko, enye kasa e bekangana boom. If you want to beat your time, NDP will suffer in opposition because we worked hard. You can't say me gidi say you're not gonna want it. And you best I wish everybody well. The national organizers okay. Okay.
Assemblies no kureni be brezum mo morning. TMA sika omujie nyine because
momo na pay school because for my card come momo na penny ama we are one kasa obetumi dia build wo ho aban ne de ane say o man no mufuo ni nyina bedi ye enye se me kwasi apia medi ye enye se me nuere keje bedi ye enye se na school me bedi ye enye se chairman blay bedi ye dey be no man ni nyina ebedi ye because ye to abayi wa ye to abayi say dey be obi ebedi ye na ohwa o man a omo a ye to aba mo a omo many ni ndi ye ne de eba ne say eba no school a omo ka echire eba no health a omo ka echire eba no transportation omo ka echire na ye ni na ye hu bi me fa say 2012 metumi kura atwemo akọ echire e de makọ all the way to 2009 because that is where your papa go feed ye wu kufo eja yesi ye fefefe ani ye dwen sanka Ghana wasi ne mranti ebom wasi ne maba wobom anka Ghana be page no mu ene ye say yankofa matrai makọ afuo bi so mbra say oh enya dan ya omo no omo de political party no atikere man ne paint yen san fan show monsa ne yen hwe de omo beye wo a wote wanyame na meka ye ni na ye nim ya papa president kufo adwuma wo ye yo de Ghana beduriye a ye nuanom yi betwen yen ade yen ko hye IMF nsa na nde etumi be gina TV so tumi gina radio so say I handed a good economy a our light bill na wontua good economy a sebe wo mabu no pa adwuma a wo se wonye magician good economy na nso wankasa wo party fu ani didi ho kra no ma fonfon enne same jamfi opposition no ho aye fekurasion president ye tikromu ha sa na tie but all of it comes to show you say when you are only for the money okay and not for the greater good make kwesi appear I'm not for you now maka say we no na mechi amonso amatumi adwan ne mesa brewe ya friction bones Ghana for your friend Felix appear page ya wabasui a political zone where the truth and the truth alone is spoken mama menchira mwade se me betina ha sei na se me fire me nuanom NDC for na wo me nuanom eya amontemase muti di America no se me betina ha na me fire NDC for a wo eya mama ndwen se kwesi ma no na eya o but ye nuanom no they have proven time and time again said they are super incompetent. NDC party has proven over time from 2009 to 2016 even in opposition for a second term, and they are still incompetent even in opposition. Okay, no one on Tiasi. Now, and then maybe my DB. Or maybe our own say you say a political party now or bar. What they ask of you, and say, oh, bar a dear now obey. Utie, a dear now beba a ye different change their over no air. And no tita my papa Rollins to hono, Namin fan the currency, oye nedumano, who phone and crew of work say. Petro, inflation, bibia kosoro, into your bar, ye be in ye, na Ghana for one tomo. And I'm say, omo tone a different message, de ma Ghana for. Na enye the same, they are not NDC for tomo munintino. Ghana for science, sano, and ye got try ye papa, a year President John Ejukum Kufo, 2000 all the way to 2008, 8 years solid. Ye papa Kufo Bemuno, Ghana ne ka ne ye de, ne many yen. Ye hushia na enye yi adentia yetumi ko bobosia a bosia na percentage ye bon no ma me papa se ye kire mu kire percentage ye kwa na no ehye hwese wakoje ebia 10 Ghana na ye se 10 Ghana no betua no ohampo ohambo ho be emfa ne se 32% aduasam yenu a wutua intino apart from say we 10 Ghana na be kono ye say we sande 3 Ghana 20 pesos so ye den ye de ka 10 Ghana no. It's not in total no utia 13 Ghana 3 pesos sanity. So this was, and these are big money we are talking about. And omojeje de gugu wa yentuaka ema no ko biribi afedie na many yen entia papa kufo ba no se there be IMF facility bi na so mo program bi a friend HEPIC samote yakufo time ye better HEPIC and o see you or the who be shame na HEPIC no do hu shame a eka bi wo ho a ye de chew ebi so wo a ye twimu to say vie mfio ha se fa mfio hatua ana se fan say bra na entity bi so nya den emma enti program no so run for 3 years enti no be hu a from 2000 to 2003 ko for ho no na Ghana for so re ne kufu amembo edi asemu ayedinyo ne mu ayedinyo adentia ne sika na no mo peso mu di no manu mete said and mo ka no na or they fix your macroeconomic indicators, i.e. Unemployment, i.e. A deficit, i.e. Debt to GDP ratio and all of that. Na saniama no and na kufuo ye den fix said be your mind be solid because se o mind bi no be di dwa say some macro indicators here ye kan no e look solid. Now I have confidence in you. Na kente sa office identity all of a sudden NDC for affairs ye can inflation 15% almost you in the inflation yetwe and the inflation 19% almost they are also talking and inflation but omo de ba ya ye can almost you the inflation the inflation yetwe but it's true say under them 2016 almost feels now inflation was at 15% and it's a fact but yan fair no to ye papa kufuo be ya de e be dane ya magana ye cedi any dollar ye bruni koko anakwesi koko dollar ye den ebe ye 1 to 1 oko banks bia na ye 1 to 1 when you year 1 to 20 $1 to 1 cedi 20 pesos that was what you were getting and almost started ya omo ye nuanu mendis for me cause omo ye incompetent ya monti ase and almost started sa na omo kra de omo ma oil ne ma omo grow ya ma ye economy ni grow do 14.05% ye oil na ye papa kufuo no ye ho adwuma e beto NDC no ye tu ya ma ye kro no emu bie ye ma afede ye benya 14.05% GDP and this are fact unless what here was something different to disprove what I'm saying and you can't disprove it because that is a fact. Now ye de more 14.05% no 2012 na ye kwato ababio emu na yo behwa ye papa His Excellency John Evans Atamils den ifri yensa ya ena ema ye papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama